Welcome back, house hunters. This week on Discover the Overseas, we're heading to Emilia Romagna, a stunning region in northern Italy known for its rich cuisine, elegant cities, and some of the country's best value real estate. Over the past year, I've been searching for the best property deals in Italy, and I can't wait to share some of my favorites with you today. If you're interested in living or investing in Italy, be sure to check out my Italy playlist and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Now, let's dive in and take a look. Located in northern Italy, Emilia Romagna is one of the country's most vibrant and diverse regions, home to about 4.5 million people. It's a place where history, culture, and cuisine come together in a way that feels authentically Italian yet refreshingly approachable. The region stretches from the sparkling Adriatic coast, known for its sandy beaches and lively seaside towns, to the rolling Apennine Mountains, dotted with hilltop villages and scenic vineyards. In between, you'll find a mix of bustling cities, peaceful countryside, and some of the best food in the world. Emilia Romagna is home to Bologna, a lively university city famous for its medieval towers, elegant porticos, and rich food culture. It's often called Italy's culinary capital. Then there's Parma, world-renowned for Parmigiano Reggiano cheese and prosciutto di Parma, and Modena, birthplace of traditional balsamic vinegar and Ferrari. Each city has its own personality, history, and rhythm of life. When it comes to property, Emilia Romagna offers incredible value compared to more tourist-heavy regions like Tuscany. You can still enjoy the same beautiful landscapes, charming architecture, and relaxed Italian lifestyle, often at a much lower price point. Whether you're dreaming of a countryside farmhouse, a city apartment, or a coastal retreat, this region has something for every kind of buyer. Now, let's zoom in on one of Emilia Romagna's hidden gems, Portomaggiore, which has a population of around 11,500 people. Located in the province of Ferrara, this charming town sits right in the heart of the Po Valley, surrounded by peaceful countryside and historic villages. Portomaggiore offers that classic Italian small-town atmosphere: quiet streets, friendly locals, and a slower pace of life. Yet it's still just a short drive from larger cities like Ferrara, Bologna, and the Adriatic coast. It's a great place for those looking for authentic Italian living without the high price tag. Property here tends to be very affordable, often giving you more space and character for your money compared to bigger urban areas. Plus, the town's location makes it a convenient base for exploring the entire region, from food and wine trails to Renaissance architecture and seaside escapes. The first property has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom with a balcony, and is 102 square meters with a courtyard and external access to a utility room. You step inside to the dining room area, with the kitchen tucked in and open. The room is big and the kitchen has plenty of space. This also opens up to the living room as well. The living room is big and bright with glass doors leading to a small balcony. The whole apartment has lovely tiles throughout. The master bedroom is a good size with room for wardrobes along the wall. The second bedroom is also a nice size with big floor-to-ceiling cupboards along the wall. This would make a great guest room or even an office if desired. The bathroom is nice and has tiles on the wall with a stand-up shower and bidet. Outside, you can see the external room with the utility access. There is also room to park here. and there is even a courtyard space where you can relax and barbecue or turn into a small garden. This is a beautiful area with all the amenities you need, such as plenty of shops in town and many restaurants close by to choose from. There is a pharmacy in town, a vet nearby, schools, sports centers, and a golf club nearby as well. There are several bus stops in town and a train station, making it easy to get around locally and around Italy. You are only a 30-minute drive from the wonderful city of Ferrara, and you can get there by train in just 25 minutes. You can even get to the beautiful city of Bologna for a day out in an hour by car or under an hour and a half by train, so you are well connected. There are also ski resorts not too far away, and you can get to the beautiful Adriatic coast in just over 40 minutes by car or under an hour by public transport. There's also a hospital close by, and you can get to the nearest airport in Bologna in an hour by car or around an hour and a half by train. This property is for sale for 45,000 euros or around $51,000. This is an amazing deal for a beautiful small town in a central location between the sea and several cities. This would also make a great holiday let due to its location and train access. Next, let's explore Mondaino, a picturesque hilltop town in the province of Rimini with a population of around 1,300 people. Mondaino is one of those classic Italian gems that seems frozen in time, with charming cobblestone streets, medieval walls, and panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. Life here moves at a relaxed pace, making it perfect for anyone looking to escape the hustle and bustle of larger cities. Despite its small size, Mondaino has a vibrant community and hosts local festivals throughout the year, giving visitors and residents a real taste of authentic Italian culture. The town is also a great base for exploring the surrounding area. You can take scenic walks or bike rides through the rolling hills, visit nearby Rimini for beaches and nightlife, or explore charming towns like San Leo and Verrucchio. Food lovers will enjoy sampling local wines, cheeses, and traditional Adriatic cuisine at nearby trattorias. Property in Mondaino is especially appealing for those seeking a mix of history, charm, and tranquility, often with stunning views and character-filled homes that won't break the bank. Next up, we have an apartment in a charming location that needs some renovation but has great potential, with 1 bedroom and bathroom and a balcony at 47 meters squared of space. On the ground level, there is a large open kitchen, living room, dining room area which has a beautiful wooden ceiling with wooden beams and lovely tiles. There is no kitchen installed at the moment, perfect for someone to put in exactly what they want. Also, the entrance keeps it bright with the glass French doors. We head up the lovely wooden staircase to the bedroom. The floor needs to be fixed, but not too much work needs done. The room is big and open. The bathroom already has all the plumbing and tiles on the wall, so it just needs the shower, vanity, bidet, and toilet installed. The balcony is a really good size with stunning views of the courtyard and surroundings. You could easily enjoy a coffee in the morning and a glass of wine in the evening. Mondaino is a beautiful town with restaurants and plenty of shops nearby as well. There's a vet, pharmacy, schools, a sports center, and a golf club nearby. There are several bus stops and a coach station close by, making getting around locally and around Italy easy. If there is anything you can't find in town, then you can get to the lovely town of Montecchio in just 15 minutes by car or under half an hour by public transport. You can also get to the beautiful city of Pesaro, right on the Adriatic coast, on just over 30 minutes by car or around 40 minutes by public transport. You can even get to the wonderful city of Rimini, also on the coast, in just under 40 minutes by car or around an hour and 20 minutes by public transport. You could also visit the incredible country of San Marino in under an hour drive, or get there in about 3 hours by public transport. There is a ski resort very close by, and you can easily get to the coast in 30 minutes by car or under an hour by public transport. There is a train station somewhat close, but taking the bus or a coach is much more convenient from here. You can get to the nearest airport in Rimini in just over half an hour by car and just over an hour by public transport. This property is for sale for 50,000 euros or around $57,000. This is a great opportunity to live in a beautiful, authentic Italian town that is close to the sea with all amenities nearby. This could make a great holiday let for people looking for a quiet and authentic holiday. Finally, let's take a look at Massa Fiscaglia, a charming town in the province of Ferrara with a population of around 3,500 people. Nestled in the heart of the Po Valley, Massa Fiscaglia is surrounded by peaceful farmland, canals, and nature reserves, making it an ideal spot for anyone who loves the tranquility of the Italian countryside. The town itself offers a quiet, small-town atmosphere with friendly locals and traditional Italian charm, yet it's just a short drive from larger cities like Ferrara and the Adriatic coast. There's plenty to do in the area for those who enjoy nature and outdoor activities. You can explore the nearby Po Delta Regional Park, a UNESCO biosphere reserve perfect for birdwatching, cycling, and walking trails. Food enthusiasts can visit local wineries and agriturismos to taste regional wines, fresh cheeses, and classic Emilia Romagna dishes. And for history buffs, Ferrara's Renaissance architecture and charming squares are just a short trip away. Our final property is in a quiet residential complex on the second floor, with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom of around 104 meters squared of space. The apartment has been renovated with lovely wooden floors, a nice kitchen and door and window furnishings. The kitchen is open to the living room, which is a nice, big, and bright space with a balcony. The main bedroom is big, with plenty of room for wardrobes and possibly even a desk. The second bedroom would be better as a guest room, or for kids, or even as an office. The bathroom is also a good size with room for a full bathtub and shower and bidet. Also, the hallway is a pretty big space with room for some decorations as well. The property listing also says it comes with a private garage, but there are no photos of this. This is a great location with many shops and plenty of restaurants close by as well. There is a vet, pharmacy, schools, sports center, gym, and golf course nearby. There are bus stops and a train station in town, making it easy to get around locally and around Italy. From here, you can get to the beautiful town of Comacchio, which sits on the delta near the sea, in just 20 minutes by car or under an hour by public transport. You can also get to the wonderful city of Ferrara for a day out in 40 minutes by car or an hour by train. You can even get to the magical city of Bologna for some amazing food in 1 hour by car or in 1 hour and 45 minutes by train. There is a ski resort close by. You can drive to the coast in 20 minutes or get there by public transport in 45 minutes. And you can get to Rimini Airport in 1 hour and 45 minutes by car and around 3 hours by public transport. This property is for sale for €62,000 or around $71,000. This is a great opportunity to live in lovely, small, authentic town on the river with easy train access to the area and close to the coast. This could also make a great holiday let due to its location and easy access. Which of these amazing properties in Emilia Romagna would you buy? Was it the charming one-bedroom in Mondaino that needs renovating? Or the recently renovated and spacious apartment in Fiscaglia? Share your favorite in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit subscribe for new videos every week. And if you're craving more Italian dream homes, check out my other videos right here. Until next time, happy house hunting!